Yeah, hello everyone. I just want to do a little rant, talking about the trolls, the naysayers, the people calling TBC scam. I just want to also address those who are members of TBC who have little faith and have doubt about what we are doing in TBC because of what people are calling TBC, because they're calling TBC a scam. Okay, so let me tell you this. Okay, I'm opportuned, okay, to be providing e-commerce service to other cryptocurrencies, their communities, TBC included, and I'm in each and every one of their Reddit group, because Reddit is a social platform that these communities use. Okay, so you won't find them on WhatsApp, you won't find them on Telegram. If you go to Reddit, you'll find them. You find Bitcoin users there, you find Bitcoin Cash, you'll find virtually everything that happens in the cryptocurrency communities take place in that place, the votings and everything. Okay, but it will come to a surprise to you that Bitcoin users are calling Bitcoin Cash scam. Let me say that again. Bitcoin users, okay, Bitcoin Core users are calling Bitcoin Cash scam. Okay, Monero users are calling Dash a scam, saying that Dash is a scam because it doesn't follow the protocol of so one technical jargon like that. Okay, now you come in the case of Ripple, they say Ripple is not a cryptocurrency, it's a scam. Why? Because it's providing service to the financial sector. It's providing blockchain service or cryptocurrency service to the financial sector. So you find out that, why is everybody calling each other a scam? See, guys, if you don't understand this, okay, let me make it easy for you. Okay, cryptocurrency, the community is a democratic community, meaning they don't have a central authority like the banks and the CBN determining this and that. Okay, so in cryptocurrency, members make up the community. Okay, they make up the community. The value of any coin is determined by what the members do. Okay, and what the members do, members want to get more members. Okay, so when they find out that your own coin is competing with theirs, because we are always appreciating based on our formula, they call us a scam. Okay, and because Bitcoin is how many years older than TBC, and because they have companies who come and add and provide exchange services, they feel that they are way better, and they call any cryptocurrency that does not have an exchange a scam. Can you believe that? You understand? So the term scam is just an excuse for some people, because they don't understand the concept, because they don't want to understand, they don't want to go out from the norm. Okay, they believe that Bitcoin set the road. Yes, Bitcoin set the roadmap, okay, to blockchain technology, to cryptocurrency, but it is not a yardstick to measure others, because there are so many economic principles as to that drives cryptocurrency. There is scarcity, there is abundance, there are so many others. Okay, but the primary aim of every cryptocurrency is to become a currency, a legitimate currency that people can accept, that merchants can accept, that services can be provided in exchange for. That's the primary goal of every single currency, cryptocurrency, to become a legitimate currency widely accepted. Now let me paint this picture for you. Now look at Bitcoin, okay, in this way of trying to get adoption and the rest of them. And right now it's a store of value, it's no longer a currency. Steam dropped it, some other merchants dropped it. Okay, we at Format, we dropped it once, but we had to business wise try to like provide services. They are the majority, okay, as a business decision, but still doesn't make it an easy. I lose money each time somebody pays with Bitcoin. Okay, but here is the thing. here's the thing. When you look at what TBC is doing, okay, let's forget about the constant increase in value, because we know that the increase in value is based on the increase of the community. Okay, let's look away from that. Let's look at the distribution aspect of it. Do you think that a coin that has 1 billion members using the coin will not create its own economy? Do you really think so? Do you think that a coin that is widely accepted by billions of members of people, that is owned by billions of members of billions of people worldwide, will, how do I say this now, will not become a currency? In your own imagination, think about it. The fact that we are using Naira here in Nigeria is because every other person is using Naira. Not only because of government itself, but if you have another government that is issuing another currency, you know, it means there are two currencies being used in the country. But we're using Naira and everybody's accepting Naira because it's what every other person is using. It's what a group of people came together and accepted, backed by government signature or government policies. Same with dollar, same with euro, same with pounds. So if a group of people comes together and call, okay, we are going to now use this type of stone as a medium of exchange, such a way that when you give me your car, sell your car to me, I will give you 20 of this precious stone. That becomes money for us. Okay, so in the case of TBC, when you have 1 billion people using TBC and they agreed to use this, coin in doing their transactions, in providing goods and services, what do you think you still call it a scam? Because that is the real currency. Okay, currency, something accepted by everyone that can be used as a medium of exchange, not the exchange of you going to an exchange and cashing it to fiat currency. No, medium of exchange in using it to purchase goods and services, to exchange it for goods and services. That's the real exchange. Okay, whatever you see here that is doing is the exchange, making money through fees and the rest of them. But when TBC becomes a medium of exchange, okay, it becomes a currency, and right now we are getting there. So if anybody who is trying to tell you the reason why TBC is a scam, please don't listen to them. They don't have the knowledge to understand cryptocurrency. They don't have the knowledge to understand there are different types of blockchain. Okay, and the TBC falls under the private blockchain, and that is why we're a bit centralized, so that we can get to where we need to be. Where is BitConnect today? BitConnect is gone. Why? Because there is no real, they were providing value in their own way, but what happened? The market took them. Why? Because the price dropped and everybody took a run on them. But what if they had decided to focus on building the community, ensuring distribution of their own coin to make sure that it's widely accepted by everyone, and they have a huge number of people behind the coin? Do you think that they will be gone today? Think about it. The goal of cryptocurrency is to become a legitimate money. And at the end of all this noise, okay, the few coins that will become currency are the ones that will survive after the market plummets. Okay, so if you're watching this and you're having double mind about TBC, I urge you, exercise patience and see what happens. Okay, TBC is the real currency, but for us to make it the real currency, we have to put hands together to get to 1 billion members. Okay, to get 1 billion members to join the movement. Okay, and you all know what happens when you have 1 billion people behind TBC. Okay, that number multiplied by €1 will give you the value of TBC. Okay, that's when it will reach its ultimate price and will stop growing. Okay, then we have new billionaires and millionaires creating jobs, creating services, reducing the unemployment and the unbalanced how do I call it, unemployment, and also the imbalance in terms of gender, race, and the rest of them. Okay, so I apologize for this video because of the state of the video. Okay, because of the poor lighting. But what I want you to take from this. Okay, no coin is a yardstick for the other. Every single coin is going on their own pace. Okay, and everybody competing with any other coin is calling that coin a scam because they don't understand it or because they feel it's a threat to theirs. Okay, so when it comes to TBC, we are on our way, on our own path, and our own path is to get distribution. When we get distribution, exchange will come, merchants will come, and when it is easy, it is then easy for mass adoption. Why? Because you have more than 1 billion people worldwide owning this coin, and we have our community, our own economy where we can use TBC to purchase goods and services. Okay, so that's all I have for you guys for today. Take care, bye for now, and remember, keep promoting TBC, and also most importantly, partner with us so that we can continue to provide more e-commerce service to the community. Partner with us in terms of selling or referring people to buy TBC from us. Okay, all right, so I'll be doing a short video very soon, so you guys can, I'll teach you guys a little something that you need to know when it comes to people buying TBC. Okay, so take care, bye for now.